Hi, Gareth of Channel Profits here. Today we're going to be breaking down two faceless channel ideas in the relationship or psychology niche. These channels are YouTube automation channels, meaning they are faceless channels made from stock footage or animated videos with voiceovers. These channels will be completely outsourcing content production so that they can upload 3 to 4 times per week. This allows them to game the YouTube algorithm to explode growth and, more importantly, profit. Relationship dating or human psychology channels are a great option for a new YouTube automation or cash cow channel. There is an endless supply of content ideas and videos are evergreen, so you can make money for years to come. We'll be looking at the emotion the channel uses to connect with viewers, what's working for them now, how they currently make money, and how I would increase their channel profits. As always, I'll put links in the description to both channels mentioned and my free channel profits training should you want to learn more about building channels for profit. The first channel is Far From Average. This is a whiteboard animation style of video with voiceover. They currently have 1.52 million subscribers and target men focusing on dating tips, female psychology, and confidence hacks. I would say the channel's emotions are both fear and hope. Fear in terms of being a weak man who is missing out on the dating scene, and hope of improving their chances with women. This channel likes to be a little controversial, and many other channels mention them to disagree with their videos. Because of this, they have developed a loyal following and also get bonus-free marketing from other channels. The content that works best for this channel are videos on how to attract women and how to talk to them, but videos on confidence and being an alpha male also seem to do well. Using the vidIQ YouTube tool, which I'll also link to in the description, we can see that they have videos that are getting over 300 views per hour after over 4 years, which is insane evergreen traffic. This again is why relationships can be such a great channel choice. So how are they making money? Well, this channel gets over 2 million views per month and is generating over $8,000 in ad revenue alone, though I would say that this number would probably be higher given the target audience. Digging deeper, I can't find any links on the channel or inside video descriptions. No affiliate links, products, or lead capture forms. They appear to only focus on ad revenue for income. No videos I've watched have sponsorship either. Though I did see the odd video with them recommending men's perfumes, which is something branded channels in this niche do, but they obviously gave up on that idea. So I have a ton of recommendations here for increasing channel profits. They could link to affiliate products in the video descriptions that match what the viewers are interested in. For example, info products that teach men how to talk to girls. This for me would be a no-brainer. Also, given the author's knowledge of female psychology, I'm surprised he hasn't created an online course of his own. That way he could keep 100% of the profits. The other idea would be to give something away for free to collect emails. That way he could create a large email list to sell and promote products to without fear or limitations from YouTube. Given that he has 1.5 million subscribers, he could easily 10x his monthly income with just 100,000 email subscribers. The second channel is called Social Psychology Masters. This channel has stock footage style videos with voiceovers and text. These are the cheapest form of videos to outsource, and yet they have been able to grow to about 340,000 subscribers in just 1 year, which is incredible growth. They are targeting both men and women and mainly focus on relationship advice, though they have recently started to move more into mindset and personal development. They don't seem to get quite as much evergreen traffic as the previous channel, but they still have the odd video getting over 240 views per hour, even after 1 year. So I would say most of their growth and views come from posting 3 to 4 times per week, with about half of those going viral. I would say their channel's emotions are curiosity and hope. Curiosity to see what's inside videos based on thumbnails, and hope to increase their chances of getting a partner. The majority of their biggest videos seem to be targeting women, so I would say most of their audience is female. Attraction and body language videos seem to be working best for them, especially about men for women. These guys are definitely professional YouTube automation experts. They follow strategies I recommend and are maximizing their channel's profits. They also get over 2 million views even with fewer subscribers than the last, and generate over $8,000 per month in ad revenue. But they don't stop there. They link to their website and new channels in the profile, and they have YouTube memberships set up. Though I don't think this will generate much, it's still extra monthly income. But it's what they do in the video descriptions that I love. They link to relevant high-ticket affiliate products that are relevant to the video's viewers. Different products for men and women. They also have 2 different freebies to capture emails to build their own lists. This makes me think these guys really understand affiliate marketing and email marketing. There isn't much I would recommend for this channel. Sponsorship wouldn't work as they already tell people to click the link in the description during the video. The only other thing they could do would be to create their own online courses based on what affiliate offers sell best. That way they can keep more of the profits themselves. Well, I hope you found this Faceless channel review useful. If you did, then please hit the like button. And for more free in-depth training, check out the link in the description. Until next time.